Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to shut down the PC laptop. So I will tell you the two ways to do this operation. So let's get started. So on desktop screen, whenever you on the desktop screen, you will see the on left side bottom corner you will see the Windows icon. Click on this Windows icon. Then click on this power button and here you will see the shutdown option. When you click on the shutdown option, your PC get shut down. Okay, so again I will tell you on desktop screen, here is the Windows icon, then power button, then click on shutdown button. And then after I will tell you the another shortcut way to shut down your PC. So by using shortcut keys, you can shut down your PC. So the shortcuts key are the Alt F4. Alt function 4. Click on the Alt function 4. This pop-up gets open. Here you need to select the shutdown option and then click on OK. So in this way also you can shut down your PC. Again I will repeat this one. Click on the Alt and F4. This pop-up gets open and here you can select the option shutdown and then click on OK. In this way, your PC gets shut down. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my